Hi, are you giving a job guarantee if I complete your course? If I do your course? This is a common question that we get with every inquiry. Okay? But you need to understand it is not a course that is making you entitled for a job. It is a skill set that you acquire from a course that will make you entitled for any job. When you have a skill set, you deliver values to your employer. Okay, and that's what makes you entitled for any job. So how do you acquire the skill set? Just by doing the course? No. Just by attending the course, you do not acquire the skill set. You have to do the practice. As far as digital marketing is concerned, you have to do a lot of practice and acquire the skill set. Then you become entitled for the jobs. Okay, so in Netpreneur, we are giving you 100% money back job guarantee in writing. That too before you complete your course. Okay, how does it works? It's like this. 100% money back job guarantee in written, conditions apply. What are the conditions? We have to get into the agreement with the conditions. You should have 90% attendance, must complete 100% assignments, create your website, create your FB page, create your LinkedIn page and profile, create your Google My Business page. This takes approximately 30 hours, 15 days, 2 hours a day. If you work, you will be able to do this one-time assignment. Okay? Then you have to do a 10-page on-page SEO for your website. You have to create 100 backlinks to your web page. This is because there are a lot of inquiries for SEO executive courses. These assignments again takes approximately 30 hours, 15 days. If you work for 2 hours per day, you will be able to complete this one-time assignment. And all these skill set will be giving you thorough training with the demonstration, live demonstrations, and you will be able to easily do these assignments. Then you have to make your 2 videos per week. You have to make 2 blogs per week, make 2 creative graphics per day, and all the above should be uploaded on your FB profile and page, your LinkedIn profile and page, your Google My Business page. Approximately this takes 14 hours, 7 days. You work for 2 hours per day. You will be completing this assignment, but this is an ongoing assignment. This is not one-time activity. You have to keep on doing this till you get your job. Okay? So our course duration is of 3 months. After you complete 2 months, we have to do certain activities. Netpreneur will recommend your name to various companies inquiring for candidates. Vacancies posted on various job portals are shared on Batches WhatsApp group. You have to apply and attend interview. Do the reporting back to us about the status of application and interview. And this is again an ongoing activity till you get the job. You have to also make 3 resumes in Canva, one as a digital marketer, one as a social media manager, and one as a SEO executive. Upload those resumes on these portals like Indeed.com, Naukri.com, and Timesjob.com. This takes approximately 12 hours, 2 days. If you work for 6 hours per day, you will be able to complete this activity, and this is a one-time activity. Before you complete your course, that is before completing 3rd month's syllabus, we are expecting you to get a job. If you do not get the job in the 3rd month and you complete your course, from the 4th month onward, Netpreneur will start your internship and give you projects for 3 months, that is month 4, 5 and 6. During internship period, Netpreneur will pay you stipend at the rate of rupees 4,500 per month and start returning your course fees as a stipend in exchange of your work or services. You have to work for Netpreneur for 8 hours a day from Monday to Friday. Remember, during this period of month 4, 5, 6, you have to continue applying for vacancies recommended by Netpreneur. Continue responding and applying to the companies directly approaching you for their requirements from the portals. Attend the interviews for the jobs. Your internship gets over the moment you get the job or after the 6 months, whichever comes earlier. You must also remember you have to timely complete all one-time assignments. You have to continue doing ongoing assignments and activity timely and as per the schedule. Every time you complete your assignment and activities, you have to update online timesheet. In case you do not get the job for 3 months, that is month 4, 5, 6, by the end of 6 months, you will earn complete course fees, that is rupees 13,500 as stipend in exchange of work, that is at the rate of 4,500 per month in the 3 months. You will also get 3 months internship certificate from Netpreneur. So friends, we have a limited seats for this model. If you are interested, please call Mr. Sumesh Jaiswal on 827-5298-122. Alternatively, you can visit our website www.netpreneur.courses. So what are you waiting for? You will never get offer like this, 100% money back job guarantee in writing. Okay, and we have very limited seats available, very honestly. So call Mr. Sumesh Jaiswal, take the course details and join the course and make yourself employable.